Good morning, class, and welcome to day 5 of your 1-point perspective unit. To begin today's daily overview, I just want to remind you that if you have not completed your art critique from yesterday, to please do so as soon as possible. That is worth 12 points, and I'd hate for you to fall behind and have those points pull your grade down. So please go back, follow the directions for that from yesterday, and complete that. Again, it's worth 12 points. So your learning goal, as it has been for the whole unit, is to design an interior or exterior space that uses a variety of subjects and details in 1-point perspective. At this point in your project, you guys should be finished drawing your buildings, your structures, or even your interior space, and now adding small details to fill up the artwork, to add high level of detail and realism to your project as much as possible. So whether it's doors, it's windows, it's posters, it's signs, it's lights, whatever you can think of that would follow those rules of linear perspective, just be adding those to make your project look more than just a bunch of geometric shapes. You want to actually make it look like a real space as much as possible. Your essential question is, how does linear perspective help the viewer better understand the dynamics of various spaces? As we've talked about the last couple of days, it is basically linear perspective helps us by adding depth in our space, by making us believe that we are actually seeing this space from a first-person perspective that we're used to, walking around the world and seeing every day. So that depth is key in helping us understand various spaces, because the things that are getting closest to us are largest, the things that are going further back are smallest and less detailed. So your task list for today, first, just complete that entrance ticket, not the entrance ticket, your critique from the day before, like I already mentioned. But if you already did that, then all you need to do today is your entrance ticket. You can answer what is space and how does 1-point perspective alter the spaces between objects. Please refer to the day 1 PowerPoint for help with both of these. And then lastly, just continue working on your final project. Keep adding those fine details to make that space as believable as possible. Again, I'm looking for your best effort. I'm not looking for you to be the best artist. Just keep showing me today in your submission that you've made at least 30 minutes of progress from the prior day's work to show me that you're really kind of chipping away and building at this project as best as you can. All right, everyone, please let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to seeing your artworks, and you guys have already been doing a great job. Just keep building upon it and keep making these the best artworks that you can within the time that you have. All right, everyone. See you in class.